In this job, we are packing a storage container. In this particular job, we are also bringing in a baby grand piano. We place the piano against a wall and we will not stack any items on top of it. The piano side was thoroughly wrapped to avoid any damage while resting on the cement flooring. We will remove the piano board from underneath the piano. We will continue to bring items in and stack them safely. In this move, we brought several dressers, bookshelves, and buffets. We also brought a huge sectional and several beds. As you can see, everything was thoroughly packed and wrapped. We always try to do our best, and this is why our customers come back. This is the third time we are moving today's customer. The TV is brought in and next come more sectional pieces. We brought headboards, footboards and mattresses. Here comes the headboard and footboard. A buffet will now be brought in. The bedsides and crossbars go in one corner. We will now stand up and position a huge tall china cabinet that was transported on its side. More bookshelves are brought in. Now mattresses and box springs are brought in and positioned. A big mirror is placed between a mattress and a box spring. A big glass top is positioned on cardboarded floor between a wall and a dresser. One more job done. God bless America.